Does each person end up with more or less money than she started with? By how much? In the first example, we have Emma spends $32 a day for 4 days. Because she spends, so we have to write before 32 negative sign. And because it was 4 days, she spends $32 a day for 4 days. So I will multiply negative 32 times 4 to calculate how much she spends. So it will be negative number times positive, negative times positive. First we always check the signs. Negative times positive give me always negative. So we will have the answer with negative sign, and we have to multiply 32 times 4. So this is equal, negative sign we rewrite, 32 times 4 is 128. Because we got negative answer, it means that her amount decreased by $128. She has less money now. So we can write that her amount decreased by $128. Next example, we have that Emily earns 12 a day for 6 days. Because she earns, so number 12 will be positive, and she earns $12 a day for 6 days. So we have to multiply 12 times 6. So this is equal, positive number times positive give me positive, so we don't have to write plus. And 12 times 6 is 72. We got positive number, so it means that she has now more money and she has 72 more dollars. So we can write that her amount increase by $72. And the last question, Maggie spends $40 a day for 2 days. Then she earns $25 a day for 5 days. So we will write first our equation. She spends $40 because she spends, so we have to write negative sign before number 40, and because she spends $40 a day for 2 days, so we have to multiply negative 4 by 2. And next, she earns, because she earns, so we now add $25, and she earns this $25 a day for 5 days. So we have to multiply 25 times 5. So this is equal. We have multiplication and addition. So first we have to do multiplication. Negative number times positive. Negative times positive give me always negative. So we have to write negative sign, and we have to multiply 40 times 2 plus 25 times 5. So this is 125. So this is equal. Negative sign we rewrite. 40 times 2 is 8 plus 125. So this is equal. We have negative number plus positive number. When we add positive and negative number, first we check the sign of the larger number. Before 125, 125 is greater than 80. Before 25 we have positive sign, so the answer will be positive. And we have to subtract from the greater number smaller. So this is equal. Positive sign we don't have to write. 125 minus 80 So this is 45. Now we got positive number. Because we got positive number, it means that her amount increased by $45. Can write increase $45. So we got that Emma decreased her amount of money by $128, Emily increased by $72, and Maggie increased by $45. This is my solution.